Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you joining two hashtags. That's hashtag Two Crafters One Design and hashtag Set More Makes. So Two Crafters One Design is Melissa, who's Moe Creations, Lisa, UCYIMADIVA, Gloria with Girlie's Cards. And what they do is they give you a prompt each week and they ask you to join them on Saturday, upload your designs and share with everyone. Hashtag Set More Makes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood designs Greenwood Girl cards here on YouTube. And Jill wants you to craft all week and just share any of your crafty items on Saturday morning. So I'm a little late today. I guess maybe this is my new trend. I can't make it in the morning, but I'm trying to do better. So when I join these, I'll try to put them on in the morning. But let me share with you what I made. So the theme this week was for Christmas. And let me share with you what I used for my design. So first up, I used these Dear Lizzie bows. They're cork bows that I have been having forever. So I got them at Tuesday morning in November of 2018. Come on now. That's using items in your stash, right? So use those. And then for cat scrappiness, I used this die set. And this one is, I think I used this not too long ago. I never can remember the name. Lotus Blossom Lace Cards. Yeah, I think I used this a couple of videos ago. And then also something that I purchased, I guess maybe last year, that was from Peachy King Stamps. Everyone was purchasing this cute little die set to do frosting for your little gingerbread people. So I purchased this. I had never used it, and so I wanted to use it for what I created. And then also from Peachy King, I use this adorable little face stamp set, and it's called Starlit Happy, and it's a 3.5 one, and then it's a 4-inch one, and these are the little stamps. These are so adorable. I mean, you have to love them. I also used my hole puncher from We Are Memory Keepers. If you ever have a chance to pick this up, this is a really awesome hole puncher. It just, you know, it cuts through several layers of paper, and I really enjoy using it. So let me share with you what I made. I thought I'd make like maybe some ornaments or something to hang around wherever you want to hang it from your house. And here they are, the first one. And what I did was I cut the frosting out of some glitter paper from Cricut, which is my favorite. And then I just put this little cork bow on here, and then I have a stretchy string cording. I put a hole in it, which I really didn't need to do that, but it was too late. I did it. Kind of wanted a cleaner look in the back, but oh well, live and learn. I used a gel pen. Let me share with you. I used this gel pen, this Jelly Roll 10 from Sakura to color in the white. And then for the red, I used, I don't know where the pen went. This is a red pen that I have in my stash that I actually use for my journal. I mean, for journaling in my planner. So anyway, I made two of them, both the same. And I did a little, I took a little red pencil and tried to do their cheeks. I didn't want to use any ink. And so I just kind of like rubbed it on there and rubbed it with my finger a little to try to make it look a little blended. But these are my little designs. Let me know what you think below. I think they're a little cute. I like them a lot. Let me know what you think below, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.